No.
Yes. Oh.
Yep, it is.
Dying so nasty.
What you doing?
They can't even see you, Nick.
A special needs kitty. Oh, he has green eyes.
No. He has white eyes.
They started out red.
He's retarded. Stop, he's vicious.
What's up, the kitty?
He's a vicious kitty.
It's all your mouth. That's a mouth.
Put him down on the ground, let him walk.
With the camera. Let the camera see it.
Oh, he can walk now?
He's been able to walk forward. He walks in circles occasionally. Circles, kitty. Come on. One time we want you to do circles. Come on. Jump.
Can he see yet? Obviously he can, because he's not jumping.
No, he jumps even when he's jumping. Good stuff. Will you stop that? I enjoy that. He's actually enjoying it.
Don't scare him.
Naughty time. Oh, poor thing. Quit being assholes, guys. Hey, show the kitty some love. Turn around, show the kitty some love. Some love for you.
Ow! Little bulldog. I need cat.
What? This is not a dog. This is not even the size of a dog. This is a very tiny dog. Very protective.
Oh yeah.
Kitty. What do you do?
Now on the ground, he wants to walk.
No, not going off the bed.
I don't think let him walk on the ground.
Wait, Hanson. Let him jump.
The door,
Let him
let him
jump.
walk. Here, go
There, go shut the door. He's going to jump up. Stand back. Kitty.
No. Wait, he's gonna jump up again. He's gonna jump up again.
Look. Right.
Oh, there he goes.
Come on, Teddy. You can do it.
You gotta make him sit.
There he is. I don't think he's in the frame. Here, look, take it over there. Take it over to that bed.
No, just do it.
You won't let go of my hand. Let me go. That's for sure.
Where? Oh, I think he's growling. Yeah.
He's not growling.
He's not that smart.
No. I'm growling. Kitty, 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 kitty. I'm a kitty, I'm a kitty, I'm a kitty, I'm a kitty. Meow, meow.
Now attack Melissa.
Melissa, it's retarded.
Bad kitty.
Yeah,
Oh.
boy.
Go, 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 boy. Hey there, buddy.
He doesn't bite, he licks.
No. I'm putting this video up on YouTube, guys.
Here.
You know how much.
Hey, let go of my arm.
Oh. Let's cuddle with him. No.
He won't attack you if you cuddle. He just doesn't like me.
He doesn't like me either.
He likes me.
Tries to come after
Get your head down here. That sounds so wrong, but get your head down here. Ooh.
Ah.
Get your head down there. That was not what I meant. That's what I meant. Look at the kitty.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Grab him. Did he hurt you? Oh, no. Alright.
Wait.
Stop.
I just want to sit over here.
Such a big baby.
She moved over there. She's a big baby. Say hi. What the hell are you? Oh my god.
Kitty, don't worry.
Oh my god! Get him! Stop, he's gonna jump on me! He's gonna jump!
He's
He's
not.
gonna jump!
He's not. I have a hold of
Let
him.
go of me!
Sounds like super kid.
Give him to me.
Oh.
So much he doesn't know what to do.
Yeah.
Get me already.
Look at the scared cat over there.
Alright.
Like cat. Stop, Kurt. Stop.
Oh, he's a kitten. How could you be afraid of a kitten? Foot bone. Found this at the bottom of the lake. Poor kitty has to go. He should have. He's hungry.
I'm afraid of the cat.
No, I love him.
No, you aren't.
She's running.
He's like, he's scared cat.
We need him. He scares her away.
Brand new Mountain Dew Silver.
Okay, let's pause it now and
Stop.
wait home for the camera.
Worst of all, it's my laptop.